Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you want to swipe down from the top or right side of the screen, which will bring down your toggles, and one of those should be the power saving mode. Now, if it's not visible by default, oops, let me try that again. It's not visible by default, it might mean that we need to add it ourselves, and we can do so by clicking right here. Let's click on the plus, and I can see it right here. So first toggle is the power saving mode. Click on the plus, close, and you can see it right here. Now we just need to click on the check mark before, and you can see it. It's now added. Anytime you pull down this panel later on, it will always be somewhere here. Now from here, you can just tap on the toggle. First time around, it gives you this pop-up, so enable power saving mode, save power by disabling features such as auto syncing. I'm going to check the box right here to not show this again, and then click on enable, and you can see right here we have a little leaf that shows us that the power saving mode is now turned on. Now once you're done using it, you can turn it off by finding this toggle once more and simply tapping on it once more to turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.